I think it was very interesting for me to hear the opinions and the questions from everyone around the world. You know, it's nice to see that they all focus and align with what we do as well. You know, we focus on being cost effective, being precise, talking about digital and autonomous technology. It's very important for us to focus on those things, and it's nice to hear it from all around the world as well.
My name is Sebastian Hagemann. I'm a product manager for racks, tethers and virtues. And with me is today...
My name is Dennis Ubaldi, sales and marketing manager of ROC and Corners. We design a machine where the frame is exactly the same of RT, the version that you already see last year, but we create a completely new pickup unit. So new pickup, new belt, new ruler on top. The ruler kit above looks like many other company, but is way different, because in effect the ruler are made and supported by these two cylinders in the back, and a system where when the ruler go up and down, they cannot do like that, but they go up and down parallel from the pickup. So that means the tie never touches the plate of the ruler. So we have a constant distance all the way of the pickup. The 6 bar is standard even in an RT version, but enough pickup is offset 30 degrees compared to the other pickup, the other half pickup. So that keeps the flow very constant, even the efforts on the motor very constant. The patent is we don't have any ruler, it's completely empty. So we have only 2 pull in the lateral side, 2 sprocket, and the belt in the lateral side has a teeth. So we just pull and push the belt thanks to the sprocket in the lateral side, and every 40 centimeters we have 1 bar with the teeth on.
And that's very important. We are active driven, so no risk of slipping,
Correct.
No risk of taking attention to the spanner. So it's really good.
So compared to the other company, we have these 2 cylinders make suspension like that for the pickup, and that cylinder make a vertical suspension and keep light the unit. So we have 3, 6, 9 hydraulic cylinder just invest, no, in the technology for the suspension. There is another 2 cylinder that make a double function. The first function is to make suspension on the road when the machine is folded up. The second function is lifted up all the frame for go above the swath. So in the end of the field, compare all the other company, we don't lift only the pickup by the cylinder, but we lifted up all the frame. So that give a possibility to make the end land first, then the field, and no later. The wheel is a full rubber solid wheel with a car wheel bearing. They just roll, so they don't make any friction. That gives us a possibility to use the RT1000 only with 100, 110 horsepower tractor. Compare the competition, they need to go really much higher for using very well. The daily pickup height we manage by the linkage. So by the linkage we can already decide 4 or 5 centimeters pickup height difference. This is a macro because this machine is even designed for corn stalk, for sorghum, so we can even collect the crop at 10 centimeters higher. We have, for example, some custom work in hemp. So hemp you cannot go down to collect, you need to collect higher, and so in this case you, without change of pins or use a wrench, you can move electrical over here. It's expensive, but we invest really a pack of technology to keep the machine lasting. So this machine is designed for 16,000, 18,000 hours of work. So it's a commercial product. And then sometimes we even sell the product to the farmer. But the concept is the investment you should justify in a long period. So sometimes we find in internet some machine after 10 years still keep a 50% of the value. This machine should be choose compare the other rakes because in effect they don't drag the crop on the soil, but they lifted up the crop, they load it on the belt and the belt moving. So when it's like here, we have a mark on the field, we don't lose any crop, we don't collect ash and we don't collect stone. That is a little bit the situation, the main difference. And plus, we can make a swath not obligatorily mandatory every 8 or 9 or 12 meters, but we can do every 18, 27, 36 meters. So we can keep the productivity of the baler or the forage harvester really high. No matter the quantity of the crop in the field, we keep the same quantity of the swath because we reduce the amount of the swath in the field. For dry hay, definitely the 870. RT 870 is the best one because it's the mode that they can ride to make a swath in the center, a load in the center, and they are made by tree pickup anyway, like this one, but the central pickup has the possibility to take away the belt and make a swath in the center. So that is very good because we lifted up all the crop before they would do the swath. So there remain any crop in the ground without moved. That is the best one. So the RS is only for silage, short silage crop. We need that things. Otherwise, the RT remain in 80% of the case the best machine for the market. So only if you have a guys like in Benelux, when they make six cut of so much crop, you need this version.
When we look at the hay and forage package that we have from Kverneland, you know, we've got the ROC mergers, and I think that's really something that we're also very, very excited about. The alfalfa or the lucerne crops are picking up again in Africa, and especially in South Africa. I think that's one of the solutions that we want to put in front of the customers, where you can pick up the complete crop from the ground without any losses. You can move it around, you know, into a new windrow without losing any of that critical food for the animal. I think that's you know, one of the solutions that we're going to put in front of the customers for next year. So very proud of what we've seen so far this year, and I think we're very excited with the new products.